This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to Pack 12 of the Fast and Furious 1/43rd scale car collection. We have the Honda Civic, the Ford Gran Torino, the Toyota Supra Turbo, and the Acura Integra DB. I don't know that one. But, right, let's start with the first one. The 40th car in this pack, in this collection, the first one in this pack. We have the Honda Civic Coupe EJ1 from 1993. Looking through the magazine first, we've got Undercover Agents. All of that going on there. The Honda Civic. It's a car. It's a normal car. There's nothing particularly special about that. Obviously, the model itself is going to be a little bit more special, as we will see. But yeah, wouldn't blink if it went past me on the street. Very happy to use that for day-to-day driving as well. All good stuff. Honda, obviously, as a company, you can read about those in there. Lots of different normal day-to-day type cars. So let's see what's special about the model itself. So the Honda Civic, it's a pretty normal looking car. The black is not so good for taking pictures of, but got reflections of my lights and things on it, but it's all right. It's a normal car. What more can you say about it? It's ideal for going down to the shops. Obviously kitted out in here, blacked out rear windows, so you can't see very much in there at all. But yeah, nothing special. It's all right as ever. The nicely made model with all the detailing on it, but not a lot to really show off. Second in today's pack is the Ford Gran Torino Sport. Now, this is a car that I'm familiar with from 1972, the same year that I'm from. It's a staple of American cop shows. Obviously, looking at the sounds of the Fast and Furious first before we get to the car itself. Big tires on that one. There we go. So, yes, the Gran Torino. It's, yeah, I'm sure you'll know it by looking at it, even if you couldn't name films and shows that it's been in, but it's definitely been in a lot. The end of Henry IV's reign. Did Henry IV take over? I don't know. Yeah, that's an American classic, definitely. In there. Traditional red, that I'm sure you're familiar with it. Let's have a look at the model. That's a little bit more nice, a little bit more unusual looking. The Gran Torino. I quite like the green, not that I'd really drive it myself, but yeah, striped down the side, just like many of the classic American movie and cop show cars would have. Nicely detailed as ever. That's all right. I quite like that. It's the American classic. So yeah, I do quite like the side exhausts. I don't know if that's a normal thing for the type of car, but certainly is on this one. So yeah, that's quite nice looking. Third one today is the Toyota Supra Turbo Mark IV 1993. I believe that this is one that's been used in many racing games. Looking at secondary drivers, obviously they can't do them all themselves. Quite a nice looking sporty car. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, again, a fairly normal looking street car, but obviously it's got some guts to it. So they're nice pictures of that. And yeah, Toyota, obviously a big company. Lots of things and details about those. If you want to pause any of these pages and have a read through yourself. But I'm not sure about well, it's not really the headlights. They fold up headlights on that, but I don't think particularly like the front of the end of that. But let's have a look at the model. Well, what a colour. What more can you say? It's bright gold. Nice detailing on the side there as well. I quite like it. I'm not sure about the a hole in the hood there, the bonnet, but it's got some nice detailing on the model. All good stuff. I don't know that I'd like the car in that colour in day-to-day life, but in the Fast and Furious world, that certainly fits in well, doesn't it? I don't remember it again from what film it was in, but definitely see it fitting in. Yeah, that's quite nice. It looks fast even when it's parked up. So the last one in today's pack is the Acura, I assume, Integra DB from 1994. I don't know the company. I don't know the car. I might do when we look at it. But we'll look at Mia first. Did we not look at Mia before? I'm assuming 44 magazines in, we're going to have to start duplicating some things because there's only been 10 films. So, yeah. So the Integra, it's a fairly normal looking street car. Not sure what's... again, I wouldn't notice if it drove past me on the street. Is it something to do with Honda? Because we're talking about Honda. Obviously not a big enough company to get an article to themselves. But yeah, all right. Let's have a look at the model. And the last one in today's pack is the Acura Integra. Again, it doesn't stand out as being anything particular. It's got some nice painting on it. It's nice bodywork, but it's just a normal car. All of these are fairly normal sort of street cars. You wouldn't necessarily notice going down the street. Obviously, this one will numbers, rally numbers and things on the side of it. So all good stuff. I like it. It's even got a rear windscreen wiper, which most of them don't. So yeah, there we go. That is the 12th pack in this collection. Many thanks, obviously, to Fanhome for supplying me with these so we can have a look at them. I shall add these to my collection on the wall and wait for the next pack to come. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.